Hi friends, in this video I'm going to share with you three powerful questions that you can ask yourself to change your mind from negative to positive in an instant. See, everybody talks about the power of positive thinking. We know that we must think positive for us to move ahead, but very few people talk about how to think positive, especially when you have negativity inside your mind, especially when you're feeling down. At that moment, how do you actually move from negative to positive? That's the focus of this video. My name is Avinash Ananda. I've been teaching leadership and happiness over 30 years all over the world, and the focus of all my teachings is application. See, knowledge is good, but only knowledge is not power. Application of knowledge is power. So let's begin.
Didn't even get to cross.
Hi friends, I'm here to share with you a powerful way to change your mind from negative to positive in the moment. What we must understand is that we talk to ourselves 600 words per minute. Now, fortunately, we don't talk out loud, we talk in our own minds, and what we tell ourselves affects the quality of our thinking and affects our state of mind. So, we have to understand that our faculties are wanting, feeling, thinking, saying, and doing. Wanting, I say this again, feeling, thinking, saying, and doing. Every human being wants something, feels something, thinks something, says something, and does something. This is according to the science of meta-mind alignment. So if you want to change what you feel, what you need to do is change what you think. And how you change what you think is by asking yourself questions. See, questions direct the attention of the mind. Your focus, your attention automatically goes to answering a question. So for example, if there's a man who has lost a girl who he thought was the love of his life, the first instant, what does he do? He talks to himself and he asks himself questions. If he asks himself a disempowering question like, why me? Then he will get an answer back from his mind, because you're an idiot, because you deserve to lose her. Instead, if he asks himself, what should I do next? What can I learn from this? Or what's good about the fact that she left me? Then his mind will automatically move towards what is positive. Varsha, who is a psychotherapist and educationist and my business partner, the co-creator of Meta-Mind Alignment, she says, when you fan a feeling, it becomes a flame. So if it's a negative feeling, don't fan it. Don't allow it to grow. Just move the attention away to something positive. And the best way to move the attention is by asking yourself these three power questions. The three power questions are: number one, what's good about this? So ask yourself, whenever something goes wrong, what's good? There must be something good in that situation. It may be a small good. It may be a silver lining in a dark cloud, but focus on that. What's good about this? The second thing you can ask yourself is, what can I learn from this? What could I learn from this situation? Because every step in life is either a step forward or it's a learning experience. The third question you can ask yourself is, what should I do next? Because sometimes there is nothing good in a situation. Sometimes there's nothing much to learn in the situation. But it is important that we move on. We can't sit and wallow in the misery forever. We have to move on. We have to do the right things. Life goes on. So these three power questions, if we keep in mind, they will help us to come out of any situation and directly shift our mind from negative to positive. The mind is very, very interesting. It's like a PowerPoint presentation, which comes one slide at a time. It is not possible to have a negative thought and a positive thought simultaneously. So what we need to do is, in order to change the negative to positive, is just ask ourselves some questions which will direct the attention of our mind. What's good about this? What can I learn from this? And what am I going to do next to make sure that whatever happens next will be the best thing to happen? Wish you all the very best. Use these questions well and be positive.